It is now 3:04 and I'm going to prepare my meal. My rice is just cooked, and yeah, this is what I'm going to eat. Sardines. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of fish, and I'm going to add some vegetable. That's it. I'm just going to make it hot. At work, I eat one sausage in the breakfast, one Danish, two Danish, and what else did I eat? I don't remember, but I was never hungry. I'll just make it hot, and I will also going to eat some of this egg. Started to get windy outside, but yeah, still the temperature is not that cold, and this is boiling now. Look at this, looks beautiful. And you know, this one is coming from China, made in China. I know I mentioned to you before that I always eat rice, but I actually realized that I eat rice just once a day. Yeah, because in the morning I have coffee, and then at work I eat something like a Danish croissant or bacon or sausage or yeah, mushroom, things like that. And then when I finish my duty, I get home and I cook rice and I eat rice. And then in the night, sometimes I eat rice, but not as always. Yeah, so I don't eat rice 3 times a day. In the Philippines, for sure, yeah, most people in the Philippines, they eat rice 3 times a day because rice is available everywhere. And when I was in Dubai, rice is also part of every meal because in our cafeteria there is always rice. Yeah, the cafeteria in Dubai, in the accommodation, there is Arabic food, Asian food, Western food, all kinds of food. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Good afternoon. They are still working on it. As you can see, the fiesta thing. Yeah, that's a fiesta thing, decoration, lantern, that orange one. Oh, I'm already here, and I forgot if I sign out or no. I don't really remember. Oh, this morning I was out of balance on this side, somewhere maybe that side. Yeah, good thing I recovered right away, so I didn't hit the, you know, the gate of that house. Yeah, dangerous, because I was not focused. I was looking back on my way. And today I finished at 2 o'clock. I think I am now back to normal schedule, the normal 8 hours of work. Yeah. Good afternoon, thank you. We are going to the town center today because I'm going to withdraw money for my house rent. Oh, it's go. We wait a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to take money from that Thai massage for the house rent, $250. And I am tempted to eat in this Sonan 9 Thai restaurant, but I don't know where to place my bike. This is $250. You know, the biggest denomination of money here in Australia is $50. Sometimes you're going to see $100, but not very often. Yeah, I am now home and I'm preparing my meal. This is the mushroom that I bought in Walmart. Yeah, I'm just making a very quick meal because I'm going to edit video, because I want to upload the video today. And I'm also doing my laundry. These are the trouser and the apron. And I'm having this, my white old jacket. You know, I am feeling sad when I didn't able to upload a video. Yeah, I don't feel good when I'm not uploading a video. I am still in the period of adjustment with my new video editor, the Filmora 9. Yeah, previously I am using the iMovie. Yeah, the pre from MacBook, but yeah, it's very basic. I don't know what is going to be the taste of this. I've never seen something like this. Even at work, I've never seen this kind of combination. But it's alright, it's just for me. Not bad. Actually, it's very tasty, delicious. It's just that it doesn't really look good. Okay, this is how it is now. Yo, good afternoon guys. Today is nothing special. Yeah, I start at 6 and finish at 2 o'clock. And I'm going home now. Yeah, all those ladies that are always here, they are there again. There are regular ladies that are staying here. They are retirees. And I sometimes feel like staying for a bit. Chat to them for a while, but I'm shy. I can't do that. Maybe if they stop me, I will stop, but they never did. We're going home now. The temperature is just right. Even if I'm wearing this sweater, it's still okay. Comfortable. That was an easy and relaxed ride, singing along with the music, and the music was the boy bands. Na baby now and forever, thinking na 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 na, things like that, breaking all the rules of time. Those music. It is now 5 minutes to 3 o'clock. Yo, we are here in the Tubugan Hill Park with Inigo and Erickson. This Tubugan Hill Park is will close at 4 o'clock. I think they are closed already. Yeah, this is one of the spot here. I mean, tourist spot here in Nelson Bay, Port Stephen area. This is something like a slide, you know, Tubugan. Oh wow, nice. I didn't know that it is a complete like there is a rock climbing, hot ice skating. I am not aware of this. You know, when I was a kid, I never experienced something like this until now. Paano ito? You treat me like a rose. Oh, it's scary. Ha?
Hindi siya pwedeng walang break.
Oo.
Tatawag ka.
Hindi
Tumawag
nga.
ako. Buti naka-jacket ako.
Hindi nga, tumawag ka?
Oo.
Enjoy ka?
Tumawag ako.
Ha?
Bakit hindi kita abutan?
Hindi ako nag-break.
Ah?
Kasi mga pa-curve, hindi pala pwedeng walang break.
Hindi ka nagbe-break?
Malayo ka kasi kung hindi, abutan mo.
Boxing yun.
Hindi ka na. Baba na konti. Mamatay ka yata.
Oh, just now I realized that this place is a full recreational activities area. There are many things to do. I've seen outside there is one mini golf course, and of course outside there is it's the school playground. It's the sports center. From that side, it's a very big place. There is also swimming pool. There is rock climbing. Hindi yan swimming pool?
Hindi, ayun o, remote control.
I thought it's a swimming pool. It's actually a remote control yacht. There is a remote control racing here. Ito anong ginagawa nito? I don't know how much. It's $15. Yeah, two-way because we did the two rides in the tubugan, and it's $15. Yeah, be happy. Oh, we are now here in basketball court. We've been here before with my bike. If you remember this place, there is the kangaroo something on that side, and if you walk maybe 500 meters from here, you'll be in the Salamander Bay Shopping Center. Rafael and Erickson, they always come here to play basketball. And this guy, this is the first time that I see these Australians. I was also playing basketball when I was young, during my high school, elementary days. Yeah, because we play basketball in the street and in the school basketball court. But Yeah, I unlearned basketball when I moved to Manila. And until now, I am shy to be in the court. I'll be feeling really conscious if I am in the basketball court. Even if there's no people around, I will feel that people are looking at me.